There was a meeting just yesterday between the leaders of the Quad countries, the United States, Japan, India, Australia. We saw the optics on the outside. How do you see the Quad play itself out? Now that the concern the world has is, now that India and China have pulled back a little bit from the brink, will India be less interested in forging a stronger Quad than we were at the height of escalation? How was the meeting yesterday? What's your take on it? How do you see the Quad evolve from here?
Look, first the chemistry, I think the mood, whatever you asked me, inside was just as warm as it was outside. I mean, I was watching it from inside. Because the Prime Minister, knows President Biden from the time Biden was Vice President. He has a very good equation with Prime Minister Morrison. He had a phone call, just a very good phone call just before the summit with Prime Minister Suga. So there was already a high degree of comfort and familiarity. But your issue about the Quad and how does it relate to what happened between India and China, I want to make 2 points here. First of all, the Quad is for something. It is not against somebody. Okay. So what is it for? Today, there is a pandemic. Okay. There is a global search for vaccines. Does it not make sense for those who want to come together to produce more vaccines and make it more available to do that? Climate change. Okay. If a whole set of countries feel, okay, let's try and work together. Maritime security, connectivity, I can give you a long list. So there are, technology, resilient supply chains. So there are a whole lot of issues on which countries today want to come to work and work together. If these countries happen to be democratic countries, market economies, pluralistic societies, it makes it easier. So, you would also, if you wanted to sit and work with somebody, what would all of you do? All of you would find people with whom you're comfortable and work together. So, first of all, let's be clear, the Quad has a purpose of its own, it has a logic of its own, it has a driver of its own, it has a positive agenda, and you saw that agenda laid out yesterday. Okay. The second issue, look, we discovered this not in 2020 when we had problems with China. There was a Quad meeting in 2017 at a foreign secretary level. I went there when I was foreign secretary. We had a Quad meeting in 2019 as foreign ministers. I went there as foreign minister. So at that time we didn't have a situation in Ladakh. So I think this idea that something is happening in Ladakh, so Quad will go up and down, and India's mindset is so tactical. Look, this is a very strategic government. It's a very strategic Prime Minister. You don't kind of put your hand up and say, okay, which way is the wind blowing and that's the way I'm going. I think we have a very clear sense what are our interests, what is our strategy, what are our long-term prospects, and Quad is part of that.